Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard or community. I collect these photos all month long and do this video on the first Sunday of every month. If you're interested in sending in photos for the first Sunday in June, this is the email address right here. Remember to turn your phone sideways. It's very, very helpful to have it in widescreen format, and then title the emails subscriber photos or something like that, just so I know what they are, because I get lots and lots of emails to this email address now. The rest of the Sundays every month I do a question and answer video, and if you have a gardening question, next Sunday I'll be back with a Q&A, and you can ask the questions down below this video. That's how, and I pick from those each Sunday. So that's what I do the rest of the Sundays. Okay, before I get to the photos, and there's like 6 minutes of photos, this was the most by far I've ever had. I started this videos maybe 2 years ago, and it was like 3 photos the first month, and now there's a lot. And so I appreciate everyone's participation in it. This past week was super productive on the channel. The Wednesday update video had lots and lots of progress in the yard here. Thursday I put up the May garden checklist video if you haven't seen that. On Friday, I put up a video on the sun plants from the Southern Living Plant Collection, just combining them together and showing different combinations. Yesterday, I put up a shade plant video, same thing. Tomorrow, the big dying maple in the front yard's coming down. I actually hired somebody to do that. Most things I try to do on my own, but that maple is pretty big out there, and I just figured it was best to hire somebody to do it, and it's half dead. And they're going to grind the stump and all that, and then there's going to be progress starting in the front yard very, very soon. So this Wednesday, you'll see all of that. I'm putting the drone up for the Wednesday update video, and you'll be able to find, like, see it from above again, like when I started on these weekly updates several months back when I started this project. Okay, that's enough talking. Here are the photos from that everybody sent to me in April, and like I say, the next Subscriber Sunday will be the first Sunday in June if you want to send in photos for that. Thanks for watching.